Tesla Model 3 is in.
Oh, what's this? Does it have a mirror? We have taken it off. That's because we are doing a chrome delete. We're also gonna be tinting it and doing some other things as well, but the chrome delete is happening first. We're going satin black on everything. It's gonna look nice and sporty. I love seeing modded Teslas, and it makes me proud to know that we put out the most in Houston. Here's another white one that we just got done with. Satin black chrome delete on all the chrome trims. As you can see, we did keep the T logos as is, just for a little accent piece. Photosync window tint, of course, nothing but the best for Tesla. So this is going to really help with the heat rejection. It also helps with your range. So it really pays to make sure you get the tint that's right for you, so you can keep your interior as comfortable as possible.